Okay, 98, they want us to find the area of the circles. So area equals pi r squared. So area equals pi times r, which is 8 times 8 squared. So the area equals 64 pi centimeters squared. And I'm okay with you leaving it just like that because that's a precise answer. And if we use 3.14 for pi, then we have an approximate answer, so why not leave it as a precise answer? And then B, it's the same thing, except the diameter is 2 times the radius. So 60 equals 2r, so the radius is 30 centimeters. Okay, so now area equals pi r squared. Area equals pi times 30 squared. So the area comes out to be 900 pi centimeters squared. And again, leave it like that. Don't use 3.14 for pi unless the problem specifically tells you to, which it does not, right? It does not.